Let's take a look at double pointers in C. So what is a double pointer? A double pointer is a pointer that points to another pointer.
Wow!
For example, we could initialize an integer x equal to 10. We can then create a pointer that points to the memory address of that integer. We can then create what's called a double pointer and set this equal to the memory address of our first pointer. We can actually even create a triple pointer where we initialize another pointer that points to our double pointer, but that's generally not used that much. For our simple double pointer case, your computer memory might look something like this. If int x is stored at hex 1000 and our pointer is stored at 1004, then the value stored at 1004 is going to be hex 1000. If we set our double pointer stored at hex 1008 equal to our single pointer, then the value stored at hex 1008 would just be hex 1004. You can see how these are all linked together almost like a linked list, right? So why would knowing double pointers actually be useful? You may not realize it, but a string is actually just an array of characters where the array is a pointer that points to the first element of the array. So if you have an array of strings, that means you have an array that holds arrays of characters. This means that our array of strings is just a double pointer, a pointer that points to other pointers. In this example, we have an array of strings called strings. This double pointer is originally pointing to the first string in the array, bruh. If we dereference our double pointer, the value printed is bruh. We can perform basic pointer arithmetic in order to print out other strings in our array as well. If we want to access the individual elements of the string, all we need to do is dereference our array twice and go down 2 levels. If we dereference strings twice, we would print out the character capital B. You can also perform different types of pointer arithmetic to access any character in the array of strings. Double pointers are also particularly useful when allocating memory for a 2-dimensional array. You can pause the video if you would like, but in the code below, I use double pointers to create an array of arrays, similar to the previous example. This time, I dynamically allocate memory, fill my arrays, and print out the result that looks like some sort of matrix. Double pointers are crucial in C. They allow dynamic memory allocation for multidimensional arrays. They enable functions to modify pointers passed as arguments. They facilitate the creation of linked data structures like a linked list, and they're essential for working with an array of strings. Thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.